And that's it, you guys. She's complete. She's not feeling too hot, but she's ready for you to feel her out. I think it came out so good. Happy Halloween, everyone. So if you'd like to see just how I made this and the ingredients I got, make sure to stay tuned. Of course, I always start in the sales section. Get you your own sausage, whatever kind you like. You have to pick up some cream cheese, and of course you have to have different chips. I went to Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Food Lion to get the different colored chips, and look in the off-brand aisle, and of course Rotel. So let's get started. What's going on, everybody? And thank you so much for tuning in. So it is the holiday season. Well, pre-holiday. It's October. And you know what kicks it off is a good old spooky Halloween. So today I want to do my good old sausage dip, but I want to do it with a nice spin on it. I thought this was so cute, and I definitely wanted to try it out. I'm like, come on, it's the holiday. Let's get this holiday started. Let's get it kicking. So if you want to know how I make my sausage dip, which takes literally no time at all. It's probably going to take more time for me to carve the pumpkin than to make this food. Make sure to stay tuned to SHATIMAR. Let's go, y'all. All right, so I told you it's so darn easy. You know how to cook hamburger. And I'm going to say this because somebody maybe, like I was in the beginning one time, I put a tad bit of grease in here. Oh, no one asked you as a hamburger. Did you want to cook? Anyway, you guys, so do not think you're crazy, but if it was hamburger. Anyway, yeah. I can't stand you, D. Get it nice and high. Well, 8 is about good. Alright, you guys, so while the hamburger is in or on the stove, go ahead and get your... Oh my God, I really said it. Sausage. Oh my gosh. Okay, so while the sausage is there on this stove, go ahead and get your mise en place popping. Take your cream cheese out and go ahead and open it. So after you drain your sausage, because I was just about to say hamburger. Ooh, Lord. Please don't let me get that wrong. I was going to say hamburger. Okay. I showed them, yeah, Johnsonville. And then go ahead and take your Rotel and go ahead and crank that open too. So just make sure everything is nice and ready to go. And another thing I like about this meal is it's such a quick and easy, like one pan type of meal. I'm just doing this to show you guys because I'm draining it, but to be honest, everything is going to go in this pan. So I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side, and I'm going to wipe it out. Like, I really don't want any grease in this pan. Like, at all. Go ahead and add the cream cheese. We're going to start with one. I'm going to start with one of everything right now, because I don't know how much I want to add. Always start little and then add, remember? You don't necessarily want all the juice, so go ahead and dip it out like that. Let it drain some. Go ahead and turn it down. Make sure you turn the stove down. So I'm going to take it over, actually, and lift it off of here and turn it around. Spin, spin. And then just let it start to melt on its own, you guys. So this part is just like a let it sit and go. Let everything melt down. So you still got some cream cheese. Alright, just let that sit and melt together. Now let's get started on this pumpkin. I am finally done making the sausage dip. Like I told you, that takes no time at all. This pumpkin, carving it, is what's going to take the most time. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on carving this pumpkin. I have my lights ready to go, but it's going to be really messy. So, over the wig you go. You know, double red skin since we won. What was the score last night? Was it 17 to 20?
20 to 10.
We got more than 10, babe.
I don't know. We won.
Top of the chain, whatever you call it. Alright, so I'm going to come back and I'm going to start carving this thing. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but it's not feeling so well, so I'm going to make it look sickly. Alright, so D already drew the line where I'm going to cut this part out. I'm going to go ahead and draw my face here. I'm going to do like a diamond shaped eyes. Babe gave me her phone. Keep your phone too if you need a reference and what you're trying to go for. Alright, you guys. So, baby, you think that look okay? I'm scared. Do I go taking it real deep?
Just cut it. It's tough, ain't it?
Oh, that's not funny. I don't remember the last time I did a pumpkin.
We really needed a razor blade.
A razor blade. Okay. Don't laugh, babe.
Oops.
Oh, y'all, that's D. Can't take a no way.
My bad.
I'll start the game without you. The nose was easy, y'all. Oh, I got to work and I forgot y'all was here. I'm trying to get my nose down. And I just cut some crinkles in it. And as you can see, I did the little in and of the mouth. But just going in and out. In and then on the bottom, I went all the way across. If you can see that, let me zoom in and show you. See around the end, because this is where this stuff is going to come out at, the food. So I went all the way across here. But the rest of it is just zigzags. All right. Let's get this top off, honey. Ugh. I guess that's why D always call me extra. Alrighty, let's see. Babe, I need gloves. I need some gloves. Babe, do I gotta take all this stuff out? I'm gonna go ahead and get the plastic wrap, and I'm gonna get the cheap kind because they don't need to waste the good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside of the mouth right here because the food is gonna come out, as you can already tell, right here. And so I don't want any of my food to get on the pumpkin stuff. I don't eat pumpkin pie. I'm a sweet potato girl. You know, like, comment below if you're a sweet potato or you a pumpkin pie eater. But yeah, I'm a sweet potato girl all day. And I really don't care if this gets seen because it's actually just going to run out of his mouth. So the food won't get pumpkin on it. And then the food is just going to run down on out of his mouth. It's going to come on out. All right, you guys. So we are finally like bringing it in. We're like on the, how many laps is there in the race car? How many laps is there in the race car? Oh, well, we're gonna say it's 7 laps. We on the 6th lap. So we're gonna go ahead and start adding the chips to the platter. I did it long ways because the pumpkin is gonna be at the top and he's gonna be throwing up this way. So just go ahead and take a couple out of whichever one you want, and then just start situating them how you want it. That's how I'm gonna do it. Take the blue ones. Purple, blue, whatever you want to do. And then I got some guacamole with avocado, with real avocado. I don't even like avocado, so you see we had to open it. It ain't taste that bad. So, this is what we working with. All right, so let's get into this good throw up, honey. Yes, I'll start up here. I need to get it in his mouth. I'm just going to place it here and I'm going to spread it out. Yeah. And that's it, you guys. She's complete. She's not feeling too hot, but she's ready for you to feel her out. I think it came out so good. This is where you'll personalize it to yourself. Have as much throw up, cheese dip, sausage dip, hamburger dip, turkey dip, whatever dip you want. And that is it, my friends. You have my 2018 Halloween
throw up sausage dip video. Yes, I did it myself. That sausage dip was so damn good. I also did a salsa throw up too, which just dip your chips in the salsa. So you can do whatever way you want. Make sure to stay tuned. SHATIMAR. Love you guys so much.